Hello, it is Sunday, January 1st, 2012 at 10:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. I want to talk to you about the earthquake that happened in Japan at 5 UTC on the 1st. That was early in the morning. And here you can see where it started. Here's 5 o'clock, and you follow the line down. You can see that it started at 5, well, this looks like 29, but USGS says that started at 5:27. It was a 6.8 and it was 216 miles deep. And you can see that it was really intense right at the first and tapered off and then just kind of rumbled along. And what I wanted to show you is that last time we had a fairly large earthquake that was quite a ways away from the United States. I can't remember where it was. But it took about an hour for the waves to hit us. And maybe it's a matter of depth, I don't know. But you can see here that we're at the live internet seismic server, and you can see that there's a little graph here of a bunch of different areas. We're going to go down and see, well, let's pick this one in China because that's fairly close to Japan. And you can see here that it started registering at 32 minutes past, so it's like within 2 minutes China was starting to feel it. And let's go down. Now Alaska, we're not getting any data. It's down. Quite a few of them are down, actually. Here's New Mexico. It started feeling it at 41 minutes. So within like 10 minutes, it made it all the way to New Mexico. Let's go back. Let's see. Russia's down. Cathedral Cave, Missouri's down. It's been down for several days now. Here, let's look at Corvallis, Oregon. It started feeling it at 39 minutes. So that's right in there with the other one in the United States here. There's one really interesting one I wanted to show you. I wonder if I went past here's Japan. That's the one I showed you to start with, I think. Pacific Ocean is down. Papua New Guinea, that's right in that same area. And it started feeling it actually just a little before I started registering. Right at the same time, it looks like. Here's Hawaii. It started registering at 33 minutes past. So within about 3 minutes, it made it all the way to Hawaii. Pennsylvania, let's look at Pennsylvania. Yeah, about 42 minutes, so it's about the same as the other two in the United States that we looked at. Here's the one that was really interesting. This is Russia. Sakhalinsk. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, you can see that it's going along pretty good, and then at 32 minutes past, it's pretty severe, but then it went wacko after that. Look at how the second line went all over the place. I thought that was interesting. I'm not sure what would make that happen. But anyway, I went over to the this is called the, let me get up here so I get it right. The University of Memphis, the Helicorder, the CERI, they call it CERI. And this particular list is areas that are near the New Madrid area. What I wanted to show you is that let's look at this Bethany, Missouri. Here's 5:15 UTC. We're looking at, well, it starts on December 31st. Let's zoom in. Get it up here so you can see it. So we're starting the top line on the 31st. And over here is the UTC time, so it goes down, and then here it starts on January 1st, 2012. So at the 5 o'clock mark, you would think that if everybody else is showing activity that these would, but there's nothing. I mean, it didn't even register. Here's 5:15, and each of these is 15-minute marks. So this is 5:30, 5:45, and here's 6. So let's go look at another one here. We'll pick one that's fairly, now this one's been showing activity, so I'll show you that one. Let's see what we get. Let's see. So it's got all this going on. But what we're seeing is a little activity, but nothing different than what we're seeing earlier. Let's go to the next page too. If you go, let's see, where am I? Right here. If you go here, this will give you the next. See here, 7 o'clock UTC. So see, there's just really nothing showing up. Let's go look at Tallapoosa, Missouri. You see, just strangely quiet when, you know, the seismic server back here, I mean, every graph shows something. Just kind of quickly go up the list and show you here. So I can't figure out why that would be. That, well, this one's not showing anything, but this is, I haven't even heard of that place. Tuvalu, Funa. It's not showing anything either, so I don't know. Everybody else is though. So anyway, I just want to bring that to your attention before these fell off the grid. It just makes no sense to me that none of these really register anything happening, you know, down at that 5:30 mark or 5 o'clock mark, 5:40, you know, that whole zone. So anyway, that's it. God bless you.